what is the importance of usability testing? Usability testing is crucial in UX design as it helps to identify usability issues and also helps to gather feedback directly from users. Usability testing, in other words, allows designers to validate design decisions, uncover pain points, and also understand how users interact with the product. Through usability testing, UX designers can iterate and also refine the design in order to improve the overall experience of the user, which will in turn lead to higher user satisfaction and engagement. And that's beautiful, guys.